So we got a large rain last night. It's about the fourth big rain we've got now. It rained for 4 hours, more or less. So people have been plowing their fields, planting. This is Elo's sons. Elo doesn't have a donkey or doesn't have a horse. They use a donkey. I see he's using a cow too. Jamwari, Jamtan, Tanara. Wadi video. Jamtan. Puccu ko puccu ko jelo.
Puccu ko capanɗe jeego walla capanɗe joyi.
Capanɗe jeego.
Ha capanɗe joyi ha capanɗe joyi.
Sefa.
Sefa.
Guruji jelo. Guruji.
60,000 ma walla 5,000. Waɗu haala English.
No, mi fami. Awa ɗon moƴƴi. Awa.
Mi yiɗi puccude.
Awa.
Babba yawani. Babba yawa. Heɓi portable goɗɗo. Heɓi mobile goɗɗo.
So Elo is just saying he wants a horse because the donkeys are too slow. And I'll have to think about that. Having an extra horse, you gotta, during the dry season, it takes a lot to take care of it. It takes more money to feed it. So he said thinks I don't know, I'll have to ask around how much a horse is. It's Sefa is confusing sometimes, and you try to understand how much something is. I think it's more than 60,000 Sefa. So they're using 2 cows to drag the plow. Soil is really healthy here. Same thing with giving people phones. These newer phones, people spend a lot of money on data. They have the internet now, so to give a person a phone actually isn't always too wise, because obviously anyone wants to see what's going on in the world and entertain themselves, so they're gonna uh, spend a lot of money, which here they don't have much of, on phone data, so they can watch videos and stuff. So I'm not sure if phones are always the best gift to give somebody, or at least these Android phones. Assalamu alaikum. Jarama. Assalamu alaikum. So this is Elo's compound. You can see when it rains, it's really hard to keep things clean. It's his wife's duty to clean everything, and just gets so messy and hard to keep clean when it rains.